If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, here's what we need to do. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, and if we scroll down, we can open additional settings, and first we're gonna go to gesture shortcuts in here, where we can find Launch Digital Assistant. So usually this option is of course enabled, so you can press and hold the power button to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, but we can of course turn it off. And after that, what we can also do to completely turn off Gemini or Google Assistant is we need to go to the Google settings over here, to Google Services in the main menu of settings. Next, we're gonna switch to All Services, and then if you scroll down, you should be able to find Search Assistant and Voice. Now in here, we need to choose Google Assistant. Even if you use Gemini, you want to go to Google Assistant, and then we're gonna scroll down in here. Now, if you actually use Gemini, then we want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and we need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant before we proceed. And once that happens, we can now go to General. And in here we have Google Assistant Switcher, so we can just turn it off over here, and there we go. That is pretty much it. Now Gemini and Google Assistant are completely disabled on your phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.